Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a voice I can have. God.
Oh my god.
You know what I like eating in the morning?
Eggs and bacon.
Syrup.
Nice. That would be so stupid if I caught, bro. If I caught one of my kids going into the kitchen and just be like,
Hey, yo,
just
so
grab
what
the
you had
bottle.
to, what you had to eat this morning? I had syrup. Oh, so you had waffles? Nah, straight syrup.
Be like, what the fuck?
You playing right? Nah, I
Imagine
keys.
you walking
Give me
in
the
on
car.
somebody doing
We
that.
going to the
Though.
doctor. Just get syrup. Get syrup off a plate.
Bro, cause see, I keep my syrup like on the shelf, bro. So
I
like,
keep my syrup. Let me talk about syrup placement.
bro, I'm just thinking
I'm
how
so
funny it would
done.
be to catch somebody walking into my kitchen, sneaking into the kitchen first of all, and just reaching their hand on the top of that shelf, grabbing syrup and just going slurp, slurp, slurp. Like,
Going
what do you do in
slurp,
that situation?
slurp, slurp. I am
Oh,
done. Okay,
wait, I
don't
wasn't in
do
the
that.
game this entire time. Huh? Funny.
Wait. It says it's on your. How's it?
Yeah, it was in the game. So,
Can I leave the
so what?
match without you
Can
being in
join
my
your
lobby?
guys. Does it look like I give a fuck?
I don't mess with.
Niggers. That is funny as crap. Okay.
It says you left. How I invite you and you leave?
And I leave. Like what?
How did I invite you and you leave?
Okay, apparently I
What's
can't click anything on the Warzone.
Scrolling
And I
through
see a naked
Minecraft
villager.
skin. What are we doing? What are
We
we doing?
playing duos. You don't understand anything else. I'm playing duos.
Playing duos.
You heard right. You heard correct. Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Sometimes I like to go outside, look at the birds, and be like, do they got race? You know, you got the bluebirds, they crippin'. You got the robins, the cardinals.
Not the
Got the blue jays. You got the gray birds. They be graying.
They be graying. Hey, yo, what's up, my nigga? I was just graying out here. You feel me? Oh, it's that motherfucking Cardinal again. Hey, yo, bro, what's up, Cardinal? Squaw, squaw!
You got the mob boss, the eagle. He be coming out like what's
Nice, the game leader. That's the game leader. The eagle is for sure the game leader. The eagle is for sure the game leader, bro.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
So which one of y'all motherfuckers
I don't think
is
duos
talking
is
about
working, bro.
talking about the set,
I don't think
nigga?
duos working, bro. Squaw.
Hey, so which
What's
one of
that-
y'all
what's that
youngest
one-
talking about the
what's that
sweat? The
What's that
set.
one song?
Right.
What's that one song? It's just like it go like the ad-lib is squaw or something like that.
One of the Miko songs, probably, or
It
Birdman.
probably is one of the Migos songs.
Bird. Yeah, you're right. Trying to look for the squall.
The squaw.
Oh, I found it.
Look up Fetty
I found it.
ad-libs. You did.
Betty Watt. It's spelled SQUAW.
SQUA squaw. How does it go?
I don't know. Don't care either. I'm just
Play it real
happy
quick.
I found this
Play it
freaking
real
sound effect. The fuck?
Phone guy?
Hey,
Bro, that's how they be calling. Wait, no, that's how. Wait, no, pause. That's how they be calling the bird homies. They be like, "Hey, yo, we gotta pull up on these on squad."
Y'all motherfucking young was talking about my set, cut. God, bro.
Dude, bro, we are funny.
We are funny. Maybe you'll just come my way.
Way, baby, want you go my way. I got something I want you to know.
You is a man.
And I'm going round and round and round. Alright, and
Fetty Wap was such a liar, bro.
but years, bro, that was a good year, bro.
It's just kind of like, yeah, I'm only listening to this song because I want to hear that one
How
part.
is the how's squad spelled again?
Apparently it's spelled
I'm looking it up.
SQUAW. Like, why is it so specific? Just put SKAWWWW.org.